Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your liked videos on Snack Video. So for instance, you have liked this video and you want to know where that ends up in. So just click on your profile page on the bottom right corner of your screen. Oops, I'm already in likes, but what you're going to want to do is click the likes tab over here and you can see all of the videos that you've liked. For instance, you've accidentally liked a video, you can just click on the video and you can just unlike the video, and if you go to somewhere else and go back to likes, it'll remove the video that you've accidentally liked. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!